Hey guys, in this video we are going to learn and create a beautiful looking table uh, for our school student. Okay, so this is a sample video, not going to make the whole of hundred or thousand of students table, but uh, we are going to create a simple student with some row and column. Okay, so without wasting time, let's begin our today's video. So for that I'm going to create a folder on my desktop, that is table. So I just right click on mouse and I have to create. Okay, there is an option. I'm just using shortcut. So this is student table. Okay, so this is student table, and I will just open VS Code. So I'm using VS Code because VS Code is really popular in our market today, nowadays. Okay, so I'm going to drag the folder and onto the VS Code. You can open this folder in different ways. There are lots of ways to open it, but I like to drag and drop. Okay, so uh, for that now I'm going to open my Firefox side by side. Okay, so I'm going to open Firefox. Okay, so as I'm using Windows 11, so here is a possibility, that is if you just click on any part of your code editor or browser and drag to top, so it will be show two windows side by side. One side will be open your Firefox and another side will be your VS Code. So I'm going to do that. So this is the really awesome facility, awesome features that I like. Okay, so this is the welcome screen. I just close it and creating table.html student dot html. Okay, so this is student table.html, and I'm not going to typing the code as like firstly I'm creating a heading, then I'm creating body. I'm not going to do that. I'm just, all I'm going to do that is that I'm using shortcut key. Okay, so for that I'm going to clicking shift and exclamation mark and hit enter. Okay, so as you can see guys, that the dummy code is generated. I'm going to close this sidebar. So the workspace, I'll get a lot of workspace. I got a lot of workspace, and here title I'm going to change it student table. student student table. Okay, so now I'm going to, okay, so I'm going to just drag it to right to get more workspace. Okay, so now I'm going to using table tag. So there are lots of way to creating a table to get your project as you want. So I'm going to way that I'm going to use in this video is that like this. Okay, so I'm going to just write table. Okay, so inside table tag we are going to create tr means what? Tr means table row. So I'm not going to just teach you from beginning, you know already, that's why you are watching this video. So just I'm going to write. Okay, so firstly I'm going to use caption. Okay, so we will have a caption in this table, caption, and here I'm going to write student table, student table. Okay, so I just written a student table, and now I'm going to use tr tag, tr. So why tr? Because in order to create table row you need to use tr, and inside the tr I'm going to use th. So you can use t head tag, t foot tag, t body tag. I'm not going to do that. The only thing we should here that to get done our job. Okay, so that's why I'm going to use I'm going to create in table this way. So th here is name. Okay, so guys, I am to do that one thing, that I'm going to just open this folder with live server, because you will see the live changes. Okay, so as you can see, the table is like this, look like this, and th. So I'm going to just, okay, do this, and here I'm using inside the th name and role, and I'm going to write after the role class, class, and I'm going to write subject, and then I'm going to write project. Okay, as you can see that our table looks like this, and I'm going to just now write uh, tr, creating again tr. So you notice the live changes, so it will be really easier for you. Td. Okay, td, I'm going to just copy paste it again. So how I am doing this, I'm going to, I just tapping on shift and alter key, a option key, shift and option, and then down arrow key, and it is just making our code easier. Okay, so now inside the td I'm going to name that is Jack. Okay, so that is Harry. And now Harry, what is the role of the Harry? Let's say 55, 65. And now class should be uh, btech, btech, and subject, sorry, btech, and subject should be computer science. So don't think about the class and all the stuff. I'm just going to do this. Subject is computer science, and project should be Android development. Android development. Okay, so I just going to copy and paste this. Copy. Don't worry that table, currently the table looks like really bad. Don't worry about that. This it will be really looks great after a few moment. So I'm going to copy paste, and again I'm going to copy paste, and again I'm going to copy paste. Okay, I just copy paste it few times, and now I'm going to just change the name should be Shubham, role should be 7, and I'm not going to change, I'm going to just class the same, and project should be web development, and this guy just doing, Harry is doing cloud engineering. Cloud computing, and this guy is doing something else. What he is doing? He is doing networking. Okay, so as you can see the table looks like really bad, so we are going to add style to it. So now I'm going to write style tag, style, and uh, Java. Okay, let's give it a Java class, and I'm going to hold the class dot Java. Oh, sorry. Okay guys, that table looks like really ugly, so we are going to style it. So firstly I'm going to catch the class that is Java, and now I'm going to give it a border. uh, let's give it a border 2 pixel solid red. Okay, so I just gave it a 2 pixel solid red, and now I'm going to give a border to the table data and table heading. Okay, so for that going to catch the class again Java, sorry, yeah, I have to catch th, and same border I'm going to give border 2 pixel solid red. Okay, just give it a border to solid red. I'm going to catch the td. Okay, dot Java, uh, td sorry 2 pixel solid red again. Our border should be match border 2 pixel solid red. Okay, so guys, now I'm going to give a caption, that is border collapse. Sorry, going to collapse the border. The border looks like a different big brick. It look like, so that's why I'm going to just collapse it. Border collapse. Border collapse. Okay, as you can see guys, the border is collapsed. Now we are going to color student table. That is our caption. So for that, first I'm going to hold caption. Let's give it a color, let's say green. Okay, so color green. Okay, it's got green color. Now I'm going to just give it a font size. Let's give it 40 pixel. Okay, so it got larger, and now I'm going to give it a background color. That is let's give, okay, let's open color picker and pick the color from there. Okay, so here I'm going to use flat UI colors. uh, okay, I'm going to use flat UI colors. Here you can see guys that awesome color is present there. So I'm going to take this color and going to paste it here. Okay, so as you can see our so it is not just let's change the color. Color should be like this color. Okay, just wait. So here I'm just pasting. So this is the hexa color guys. So do not think. Okay guys, let's take another color. Okay, this color is looks like awesome, pretty good it's. So let's give it a green background. Okay, so now it looks nicer. So we are going to catch that Java class that I gave it. So it give it width, let's give it 50%. 50%. Okay, so as you can see guys, our table is now 50%. 50% means it's responsive. Okay, so when we want responsiveness, we give it in percent. So we can just drag and size will be adjustable. So okay, now let's open it side by side again. Okay, I just open it side by side, and now we are going to give a color to th. Okay, so for that I'm going to catch java and th. Okay, so th color should be let's give it, which color should I use here? So I should use purple. Okay, so color should be purple. And background color should be something else. So which color should I take? Background color should be let's take this color. Okay, so background color should be this. Okay, now just open the style table. Okay, as you can, no sir, no guys, I'm going to change the color to white. Okay, white will be best suitable. FFF. Okay, as you can see guys, now our table looks like really good. So guys, this is the table that we wanted to build. And one thing, you can customize a lot of things here and you can make it nicer, more nicer. Okay, let's customize it. Let's customize. What is the problem? Let's customize. Okay guys, so let's just give to td to a different color. So let's cast directly cast dot java, then td. Okay, so let's give it a color. So that is, let's open color picker, and color should be like this, and td color should be like this. Let's write color code, color. Okay, this. Okay, let's look how it looking. Color is looking like this, and let's give it a background color. Okay, so the background color I'm going to give background color. So background color, let's give it which color should be best. The let's open flat UI. Let's give it this color. Okay, so just pasting here, and let's see how our table looks. Okay, now table looks like leaks. Let's change the color. We should match the color also. So let's give it white. White. Okay guys, as you can see, our table looks really. Let's give it a padding guys. Let's give it a padding. It will just look better. Let's give it a padding. Padding should be, let's say, 10 pixel. Okay, as you can see, our table looks nicer than before, and it looks not professional, but it looks pretty good, I think. So guys, that's it for today's video. So we can customize more. We can customize more guys. So we can customize, like this is a different color. I can customize. I can give it different color. I can give it different color. So whatever you want, you can. Whatever you want, you can. There is no problem for that. So we have to use like different class, different uh, I don't need to say. So this is the simple table that we just built. So guys, thank you for watching. That's it for today's video, today's tutorial. Let's see you in the next video. Okay, so the code I will put in my description. Do not worry. So I'll give it to you in my description, and you can take that code from there and practice yourself. So let's begin the browser and open how our web page looks like. Okay, as you can see guys, the table is looking pretty good. So thank you.